Alrighty, we got 4 crates of birds that showed up yesterday, which was Saturday, and today's Sunday.
I'm going along.
And they're gonna head into the loft with the rest of these guys. These right here that are separated down on this end, that's group 3. Those are all the birds that came in this week. You can see a lot of them hanging out here on the landing board and inside. And then we've got them separated from, there's group 2. They came in the second week, and then down here on the end is group 1, first week. But we're going to be putting some of these together, I think tomorrow. Anyway, just thought I'd quickly show you the birds, and like I said, we're gonna get these guys put in the loft right now.
Hey, here we go. The rest of group number 3.
This is the last of group number 3, all the birds that came in this week. We had, what, close to 130 or 140 something birds this week.